Bitcoin versus fiat or paper money. Maybe the USD dollar or the euro, European euro. Those are fiat types of money, and Bitcoin is a digital currency. So what's the difference and how is this exchanged? Let's talk about it. Cryptocurrency versus fiat currency. So cryptocurrency is generated by computers. It's decentralized, no one can control it. Digital medium of exchange, and there's a limited supply. Whereas fiat currency is issued by governments. It's centralized, which means it's monitored by the government. There's a physical medium of exchange, and there's an unlimited supply. So maybe this is your first time hearing about cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. Maybe you're a beginner and you're looking for a way to exchange the US dollar or some other type of currency like the euro or the pound or something for Bitcoin or other altcoins, which I'll talk about in just a moment. All right, so what is Bitcoin and what is it trading at right now? The value of Bitcoin right now is $10,375 for one Bitcoin. That is crazy. In the last 24 hours, it's went up 1.29% with a market cap of over 190 billion and 19 billion volume in the last 24 hours. As we look at the 1 year chart here, we can see how volatile it is over and over. It dropped down here to 5,300 back in March when the coronavirus hit the world. And then it climbed up here to over $12,000 in August. And it's continuing its upward swing, it looks like here. If we go back to the all-time, you can see when it started back in 2009. It was steady for a few years. Then it caught some mass momentum. Tons of people started investing. It went all the way up to $16,000 plus Bitcoin. And then it took a tumble, came back up, and it's going to continue to climb as more people become aware of Bitcoin, in my opinion. So here's some other key metrics, and then about Bitcoin. You can find all of this stuff on CoinDesk.com. Simple platform here where you can discover more interesting facts about cryptocurrencies. All right, so what is an altcoin? Over here at Cointelegraph.com, they say that the term altcoin refers to any cryptocurrency that has launched since Bitcoin, BTC. In the early days of Bitcoin, developers forked the open source code to create new currencies such as Litecoin, Zcash, and many others. So, how can we invest in cryptocurrency? How can we buy and sell with fiat money and exchange for digital currency? So here are some of the top ones that are found on my favorite platform, CoinBase. CoinBase allows you to trade the US dollar or other types of currencies against Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin. And as you can see, the rates of return today, return on investment. They're also giving away up to $115 worth of crypto simply by watching these short videos and getting $115 in different altcoins. So let me sign into my account, and what I love about Coinbase is the measures of security it has here. Let me just find my authenticator. If you've never seen how this works, you can download the authenticator app on your smartphone, scan a barcode, and it'll from this website here, Coinbase, scan the barcode, and then it gives you a constant change of numbers that are here to authenticate you as the user for this account. So if we put in the right number, we should be able to verify. It'll open up our account right away. We'll be able to jump in here and see exactly where the market's at in cryptocurrency world. So we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Chainlink, and so forth. All these different coins are now available inside of the Coinbase platform, where we can exchange fiat currency for digital currency or cryptocurrency. So let's say we want to invest in Bitcoin. Well, if you have $10,000 laying around, you can buy a full Bitcoin. If you just have 100 or a couple hundred, let's say you wanted to start out and open an account, invest $100, get your referral bonus. Just for opening an account, right here, right down below here with my link, you're going to get a $10 thank you bonus once you invest $100 into your new Bitcoin CoinBase account. All right, so let's say you're going to buy $100 worth, and you've got your bank account linked up, and you can see right here that you are going to buy 0.0093 Bitcoin for $100. There is a small Coinbase fee to transact, and it'll be exchanged immediately, charged from your bank account. And then you can sell it the same way. You can sell, whatever coins you own digitally, you can sell back into cash USD, and you can also convert. Let's say you have Bitcoin and you want to convert it to Ethereum or Ripple or some other altcoin, you can do that as well. You can exchange or convert it over. So the platform is very user-friendly, very simple to use. You can also send Bitcoin to someone that accepts Bitcoin, or receive. You get basically when you send, let's say you want to send $12 to someone, then you're going to put in their email or their address, which can be this very long, lengthy address. Then you hit continue, and you can send digital currency via the computer. As simple as that. All right, so let's go over here to earn rewards and look at this. So I love Coinbase for the simple fact that every time I refer a friend, a family, a colleague, someone who wants to open up a Coinbase account, you'll both get $10, okay? So you'll receive $10 in Bitcoin when they buy or sell 100 or more on Coinbase. And all you simply do is once you have your account set up, you go here and enter in email addresses, send invites, or you can just copy your link, and don't spam everyone. Don't send it all over the place on social media, but create a YouTube video like this one and put your link down below so that people that find you on YouTube can come in and click on the link and set up their own Coinbase account. All right, if you've enjoyed this video, that's all I'm going to share. Just a quick tutorial on how you can start exchanging Coinbase. How you can start utilizing the Coinbase platform to exchange fiat currency for digital currency. Happy investing, and please, if you have any comments on this short little video, leave them down below. If you got value out of this short video, please comment down below. I'd love to hear from you, and thanks again. Please subscribe to the channel, Educating Others TV. Like this video and share it with those that you think could benefit. Thanks so much. Talk to you later.